Hello everyone, welcome to our Did You Know moment. Imagine you are traveling in a new city. You are lost and you need to ask someone for direction. What would you say? Instead of simply saying, "Where is the hotel?" try a more polite and natural phrases. For example, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the hotel?" You can also ask, "Is it far from here?" And if you don't understand the answer, don't panic. Just say, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?" Or, "Could you show me on the map?" So remember, these three useful phrases: how can I get to? Is it far from here? Could you show me on the map? Save them. You might need them on your next trip. Goodbye everyone. See you next time for another Did You Know?